I'm Ed Simpson with Ether Automation, and in this video, I'm going to show you about a new Zoho Creator feature that lets you have an easier time filling out a form in Zoho Creator. So I'm just going to share my screen, and if I share the wrong screen, this is going to be a short video. All right. So as you can see here, I have the Zoho Creator app. This is one of our test apps. And what I want to do is I want to make it easier to fill out my information, right? And you can use this feature to help users navigate the form. In this case, it's a really small one, a really small form, but if you have a very large form that is complicated and requires conditional logic and fields go missing or they need to be redone or that kind of thing, this feature will come in handy. So right now I can press tab and go to the next tab or next field. But what we want to do is I'm going to make that programmatic. So if I go into the back end of Zoho Creator and I create a new workflow for my customer intake form, I'm going to do it on create. I'm going to do user input of a field, and I'm going to put in name, and we're going to call this focus next. We create an action. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in condition, right? So if input.name dot last name does not equal null, as in it requires you to have a last name. So if you've entered some stuff into that form and the last name is not null, we're going to do something called focus. And we're going to do the next rundown, which is the email. Focus email. And so we can actually do this for all the fields. But when I save this and I refresh this page, F name, oh, there's a bug, L name. So what we can do is we can have it when they submit it, it would go to a specific field. In this case, it went to email, but I can also have it skip email and go to phone number. Or if they type in an address, we can have it go directly to, I don't know, like a zip code field or something like that. Again, this becomes very important as fields get or as forms get very long. As an example, if you have an upload field and then later on you need a description on that upload, like, oh, this is a picture of my cat Bob, right? You'd have to put that in the description. You can have it focus on that description field as soon as it's filled out. This can be used with tools like a scan. So if you barcode scan something, and then after that field is entered, you want it to go to somewhere else to barcode scan the next one, such as the subform, this would be very useful. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.